Am I the only one that didn't know? Balance is the key to all workouts? Let's dive in. Balance isn't just about standing on one foot. It's the foundation of every move you make. First hack, engage your core. Imagine tightening your stomach like you're bracing for a punch. This simple trick keeps you steady. Second hack, focus your eyes. Pick a spot in front of you and lock in. It helps your body stay aligned. Third hack, practice with a stability ball. Sit, stand, or even do push-ups on it. It challenges your muscles and improves balance. Last hack, barefoot training. Ditch the shoes and let your feet feel the ground. It strengthens your arches and enhances balance. So there you have it. 4 quick hacks to improve your balance. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your stability soar. You got this.